Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started by straightening our legs in front of us. And you can rest your hands behind you. Begin to flex your toes so much that your heels lift. And now point the toes. Again, we flex. And we point. Let's flex. Keep your feet flexed, coming into a forward fold. Maybe you grab onto the ankles or the feet or the toes and you just drop your head down, relaxing your neck. Slowly rise back up. And let's bring our left leg into a half butterfly. Slowly begin to walk your hands towards the middle. So just coming in between both legs here. Again, relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Taking deep breaths in and out through the nose. And continuing to scoot your hands up if that feels accessible. And we come back up. Let's make our way to the other side. We come back up, making our way back into our forward fold. Maybe you go a little bit deeper this time. And now let's make our way into a seated butterfly position with the soles of the feet touching. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder. And now tilt your head so that your chin is at your right shoulder, feeling a bit of a different stretch in the neck. Drop your head forward, chin to chest. And we come back up to center, dropping our left ear to the left shoulder this time. Tilt your head, bringing your chin to your left shoulder. Drop your head forward. And we come back up briefly before we go right back down. Tuck your chin in, making your way into a forward fold, walking your hands forward. Rise back up, coming into a cross-legged position here. Sweep your arms overhead, reaching up. And now let's twist to the right, placing our left hand on our right knee. Maybe looking over the right shoulder, really twisting in the torso, but not straining your neck here. And we come back to center, sweep your arms up again, and we twist to the left, keeping your hips grounded into your mat. We come back to center as you drop your head back, chin to ceiling. And now chin to chest, just like you did before. Again, chin to ceiling, drop your head back. And drop your head forward. You have the option to clasp your hands behind your neck, maybe adding a bit of a deeper stretch here in the neck. And we slowly go down into our forward fold, if that feels comfortable for you. We slowly make our way back up, leaning our body over to the right, and now leaning forward, leaning over to the left, and back round your spine here. And now just reverse that circle. Let's relax the body as we sweep the arms up overhead, reaching up, and we bring our hands to heart center. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, share with your friends, and I will see you next time.